Follow Soljaz, follow Soljaz, follow Soljaz, rest in peace Soljaz. Follow Soljaz, follow Soljaz, follow Soljaz, rest in peace Soljaz. To all my fallen soldiers, this that letter that I should've spoke. Grabbed a pen and pad and wrote. To all my fallen soldiers, although you sleep eternally, spirit free, we bleeding in the city. To all my fallen soldiers, this that letter that I should've spoke. Grabbed a pen and pad and wrote. To all my fallen soldiers, although you sleep eternally, spirit free, we bleeding in the city. It's so hard to write this letter, wish that things could end up better. Getting calls to make your heart share, putting pieces back together. This type of pain run deep, I'm afflicted, that mess been addicted, praying to get depression uplifted. Nowadays we going at it over nonsense, never had a good bond since. Picked up the phone, attempted to call, crack a dawn, but now I'm tense. Changed my mind of anger feel, I let the enemy come between and should've chill. To all my fallen soldiers, this that letter that I should've spoke. Grabbed a pen and pad and wrote. To all my fallen soldiers, although you sleep eternally, spirit free, we bleeding in the city. To all my fallen soldiers, this that letter that I should've spoke. Grabbed a pen and pad and wrote. To all my fallen soldiers, although you sleep eternally, spirit free, we bleeding in the city. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, got me buried in emotions. All these thoughts plague my mind, all I'm hearing is commotion. The city bleeds when brands being taken, individuals' lives being taken, but God making no mistaking. Feeling the wrath, got my body going to shaking. Who to trust, I don't know, cause they be faking. Applying the pressure, stopping the bleed is what my city needed. Heal wounds, leaving bruises, no more city bleeding. To all my fallen soldiers, this that letter that I should've spoke. Grabbed a pen and pad and wrote. To all my fallen soldiers, although you sleep eternally, spirit free, we bleeding in the city. To all my fallen soldiers, this that letter that I should've spoke. Grabbed a pen and pad and wrote. To all my fallen soldiers, although you sleep eternally, spirit free, we bleeding in the city. Strike those lighters, light those candles, moment of silence, pass the mantle, cause they can handle. Strike those lighters, light those candles, moment of silence, pass the mantle, cause they can handle. Legacy passed on, never alone but still blown. Legacy passed on, never alone but still blown. Rest in peace.